everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel today. We're gonna take a break from farming. We're gonna take a break from working on tractors today. Got a field cultivator I built. I don't know, I was like 12 or 13 when I built it. Now I'm 17. I've always wanted a set of rolling baskets on it, and then I acquired these old rolling baskets, and I took them off the rear to plow because, well, you see, yeah, she ain't doing too hot. So we're gonna cut two sections of that out, make it one section, and then try and build a frame off the side of this so we can have the rolling baskets on the rear, and then maybe put a harrow in between eventually. Haven't got that far yet, but this is gonna be doing 100% off of scrap metal pretty much. So we'll see what I got to work with and what I can pan out. This will probably be more than one video long, but maybe we can get a lot done with it. Supposed to have my buddy Nathaniel show up, as you can see out here. That's a little bit like he's not here. Maybe because the tail's still sleeping. So anyways, now yes, I did just dish you if you watch this video when you get here, but yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna start off and just get these baskets figured out, and I'm working off a dirt floor today. So I don't like dirt floor, I like my concrete floor, but in there I got that tractor, so, and it's kind of immobile right now, so I'm making do with what I got. But anyways, we'll get back into the video. So to start off with, I want to be about 112, 115 inch, somewhere in that range. And if you put these two baskets together, it'd be way wider than that, because so one of these baskets is like, so you get my trusty tape measure. One of these baskets is right at 69.5 inches, so I gotta cut, I guess, I think right here is the correct. So I'll cut two sections off and weld it together. So we'll see, we gotta get in there. So after measuring, if you cut these two sections off, which is one section, two sections, because that's obviously no good no more. It's like 111.5, 112 inches, and that'll work, because I think this is at 109 inches I'm working with, and I want a little bit of overlap on both sides, so that's gonna work out right good for me. So yeah, let me see just what I can get into here. I'm gonna go ahead and stick you on the magnetic mount, and I'm gonna hit a little time lapse. We're gonna go ahead and cut this stuff out here. We'll go ahead and cut this section out. See what I can get into. Alright everybody, so guess who actually showed up 3 freaking hours later?
What's up?
This guy also broke his windshield in his truck.
We'll put a picture in there.
I might have a short video of it. I'll put on that. Yeah, I don't know how this guy managed to do that one, but FYI, if you have a fuel tank, make sure it don't hit your windshield, because it will break it. But so far, I've got the basket cut. I gave it a little time lapse, and now I've just started grinding all of this down pretty much. And I guess I'll just get back at y'all when we get ready to start welding this.
I mean, you can be mad about it, but it would be 1,000 times worse.
Garrett, if you are watching this,
He said Garrett, the welding instructor.
this is not what I normally do. This is just today.
Just today, he said, just today. But anyways, I guess I'll go ahead and get in here and tack on this, and then we'll prop her up and weld her from there. Ow. That hurt. I'm sure of that. Ooh, y'all got a spot.
Oh, yeah, we might need it.
Yeah, if it's gonna weld. Oop. I ground off a spot, but I don't know where it's at.
Put the grind. That's the ground spot.
I know the spot.
Can we rotate it more?
We can rotate it and put it on that weld right there.
That works too. Hey, we're back to the grounds.
Okay, I'm gonna kill y'all if I keep doing this. I'm just gonna cut y'all off and get back at y'all when we're welding again. He's gonna get on here, he's gonna weld this right, he said. I'm gonna go ahead and start measuring on the rest. So we'll let him holler at that for a minute, and I'm gonna start working on getting some metal cut. All right, YouTube, I'm letting Nathaniel hold the camera and see if he can't figure it out. I'd hold it by the base because it'll rotate because it's on that thing. You gotta tighten that thing up.
Well, this one, I got you.
And a trippy breaker.
Got you.
Let's freaking go.
We're gonna get play with a breaker. Is that it? Get cut on?
Flip that thing once.
This one? Like that? This one needs to go back on.
Back on one. I need a light one.
You can fight and feed and sell your
So if you get stuck, you will trip the breaker. That's what happened last time.
For everybody that says it ain't prepped right, guess what? It ain't got nothing but enough horsepower behind it to tear it off, so it's gonna be fine, I promise. Anyway, go ahead and come. Well, everybody, we've done abandoned ship for the day. It's getting dark out. Nathaniel's got to get home because he's got to drive with his busted windshield or on back window. There's the basket. We're going to take it out, clear this shop space off, and that's going to be it for this video. Y'all have a blessed rest of your week and take care.